So let's talk about just some other promotional methods. So again, under the umbrella of marketing comes things like advertising, but there's other promotional and marketing methods, if you will, than just advertising. Advertising means placing direct ads at different locations. One thing when it comes to promotion I would really encourage you to do, and we talked about this way early in this course, was getting customer testimonials. You want people to say, hey, I use this product, I love it, and you want them to be sincere and legitimate reviews. You don't want to create fake reviews, obviously, and testimonials. Customers see right through that. But if they're legitimate, think of like an Amazon.com. If you go look at a product, there's all the customer reviews. You can see, 300 reviews were left and it's a 4.5 out of 5. People trust that. I use it myself. I always look at those types of things when I'm shopping online. And you should definitely be searching for that sort of same dynamic when it comes to your product or service. If people looking at your website or your product, wherever it might be sold, and they see good reviews, good customer testimonials, that goes a long way towards selling your product. So that's really what you're after. And it really doesn't cost that much or anything to get those. You just simply ask your customers, hey, would you please, if you enjoyed our product, please leave a review. Let us know what you thought of it. And people are often happy to do that. You just sometimes have to prompt them a little bit to do so. So I'd encourage you to get as much sort of free advertising, if you will, and free promotion through just your current customer base. And then as well, you can also then promote new products to those customers, or maybe give them a discount. Hey, if you leave us a review, we'll give you 20% off your next purchase. So there's lots of ways to go about it. But at the end of the day, you're just after sort of promoting your product, getting it out there, getting it more well known, and showing people that it's a valuable product or service that you're offering that other people love already.